Hey guys, new TRANSCEND 23BHX, 2 entry doors, bunk area, single slide out. Let's get started, take a look. All right, looking outside, new Grand Design logo up front, pass-through storage, Lippert solid step, outside fridge, JBL speaker system, 2 entry doors. Your main entry, you got your solid queen walk-around bed up front. Theater seat slide, nice kitchen area. Nice pots and pans drawers. Pull-out trash can, large sink. 12-volt refrigerator freezer. Very easily accessible large bunks. Built-in ladder. Cup holders. Divider built in. Curtain to separate the bedroom from the rest of the camper. Pet drawers. Theater seating's directly across from where the TV would go, so nice setup there. And then you got the entry door to the bathroom. Exhaust fan, surround. Plenty of room around the toilet. One other feature on the TRANSCEND Explorers and regular TRANSCENDs is the easy winterization, where you can just pour the antifreeze, easy antifreeze right in here, and then it will flip the lever and it will pull directly from there to winterize the camper. Super easy, great setup there.